It is Saturday morning, the 12th day of April, 2014. We're here in my little bird sanctuary at Cobblestone Place. And you see the cardinal, there's Mr. Cardinal, and there's some sparrows. And there's Mrs. Cardinal. Hello, Mrs. Cardinal. Oh, she's coming down. She's coming down. And there she is. It's really a nice morning. Very low humidity and cool breeze. And everything's beginning to look fantastic around here. Everything's real green. All the tree leaves are green. The flowers are beginning to bloom. And Mr. Cardinal is just enjoying himself, having his breakfast. Because he knows he can depend on the bird whisperer, Sam, to bring some bird seeds every morning. And some corn on the cob for the squirrels, Pedro and his friends. And this is my therapy. I come out here and listen to the birds. Hang around here about half hour or more, a couple times a day. Very relaxing. Probably as good as meditation. You can hear all the bird sounds in the background. So how you guys doing? Mrs. Cardinal. Oh, here's another Mr. Cardinal over here. Whoop, he just went over here. Yeah, we'll get him over here. Let's see, where is he? There he is. So you got that male cardinal over there. And you got the one down here on the ground where the bird seeds are.